Meaning of flapper.
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 Flapper. The term flapper typically refers to a young woman in the 1920s who wore short skirts, bobbed hair, and openly defied traditional gender roles. This rebellious subculture was characterized by their love of jazz, dancing, and heavy drinking, and they were often seen as a symbol of the changing social attitudes of the time. Flappers also challenged the notion of proper female behavior, advocating for sexual freedom and the right to vote. Today, the term flapper is often used nostalgically to describe a bygone era of glamour and excitement.